Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a young boy named Tim. Tim was an adventurous boy who loved to explore and discover new things. His favorite possession was a colorful kite that his grandfather had given him. One bright and breezy morning, Tim decided it was the perfect day to fly his kite. He rushed outside, his kite in hand, and headed to the big open field at the edge of the village. As he launched the kite into the sky, he watched it dance and twirl with the wind. Tim's kite soared higher and higher, almost as if it had a mind of its own. He held onto the string tightly, but suddenly, a strong gust of wind tugged at the kite, and the string slipped from his grasp. Tim watched in surprise as the kite flew away, carried by the wind. Determined to get his kite back, Tim followed it as it floated above the village. The kite led him through the forest, across a babbling brook, and into a meadow filled with wildflowers. Tim's heart raced with excitement as he continued to chase after his kite. After a long adventure, the kite finally settled gently on the ground near a beautiful old tree. Tim picked it up with a smile, but to his amazement, the tree began to shimmer and transform. It turned into a magical talking tree. The tree said, "Hello, young adventurer. I am the guardian tree, and I watched you chase after your kite with determination. You have a brave heart." Tim was amazed and replied, "Thank you, guardian tree. I'm happy to have my kite back, but I'm even happier to have met you." The guardian tree smiled and said, "As a reward for your bravery, I will grant you a special wish." Tim thought for a moment and said, "I wish for the ability to make friends with anyone I meet." The guardian tree nodded, and with a wave of its branches, it granted Tim's wish. From that day on, whenever Tim met someone new, they couldn't help but become his friend. Tim's kindness and adventurous spirit brought joy to everyone he encountered. Tim and his magical kite continued to have many more adventures, but the most precious treasure he had found was the ability to make friends and fill his life with laughter and happiness. And so, Tim's kite, with its unexpected journey and the help of the guardian tree, had given him a gift that would last a lifetime.